Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mayur Vaid, and in this video we are going to talk about the off-campus placement. We are going to talk about how to apply for your off-campus placement process. So off-campus placement is when you directly send your application to the company and your company do not visit your college campus, but you directly engage with the company. You send your job application and then you give interviews. So your college does not play any role in this. So if you belong to a tier 2 or a tier 3 college, or if you want to apply to your dream company which do not visit your college campus, then no need to worry. You can always apply through off-campus process. So there are four ways through which you can apply to a company through off-campus process. So first is your by sending direct application, job application to the company. So for that you need to visit the company's career page. So in whichever company you want to apply, just open their main website, and at the bottom of that website you will find a careers hypertext, and on clicking that hypertext the careers web page will open up. So on that web page the company posts all their job openings, so you can just check out the perfect job description for you and then you can apply. The second way is through LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a professional networking website, and on LinkedIn you have a job section. So if you visit that section, all the companies or mostly all the companies post their job openings over there. So you can just check out and then you can apply to the perfect job opening. So the second way is through your referrals. So a referral is a program in which a person working in the company you want to apply, they refer you or share your profile with the recruiter, and then recruiter gets in touch with you if you are a good fit for that job opening. So to get a referral, LinkedIn is the best platform. So on LinkedIn, you can just send the connection request to the people working in the company you want to apply, and then you can just send a small introductory message about yourself, what all technologies you have worked on, and along with that, just attach your resume and send them the link to the job opening you want to apply. And if they find you fit for the job opening, they may refer you, and in that case the recruiter will get in touch with you if the recruiter finds you a good fit for the job opening. So referral is, I'll say, the easiest method through which you can apply to a company through off-campus process. So the third way is if a recruiter gets in touch with you. So for that also LinkedIn is the best platform. So on LinkedIn, make a profile and maintain a good profile. Update it with your CGPA, with your projects, and with the technologies you know. And it may happen that the recruiter check out your profile, and if they find you a good fit for the job opportunity, they may message you. The fourth way which I know is through hiring challenges. So there are platforms like Hacker Earth and TechGeek where companies host hiring challenges. So they are very similar to your online coding rounds, and you can take part in those challenges, and if you perform good then the company might get in touch with you and they may start your interview process. So these are the four ways which I have shared with you through which you can apply to any company through off-campus process. So after you have applied, then your interviews will take place, and they are very similar to your on-campus interviews. So there can be telephonic or video interviews, or there can be on-site interviews where a company calls you at their office for interview. For your off-campus interviews, you don't have to study anything extra. You have to prepare only those subjects which you will be preparing for your on-campus interviews. That is your data structures and algorithms, which is most important, your object-oriented programming, databases, networks, and designing questions, low-level design and high-level design. Now for the off-campus interviews, it is very necessary you maintain a good LinkedIn profile. So just make a profile on the LinkedIn and make your professional network, connect with the people so that you can get referrals, so that you can give referrals in future, and so that you can get into the touch with the recruiters. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and share it, and for more tech related content, for more interview preparation related content, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.